Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and restart your Nintendo Switch with Power Options menu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2, and every time you navigate to this option here, it says sleep mode. So how do you actually go ahead and turn it off and restart it? Now, the way to do this is that you have the power button here on the upper left hand side. You want to click and hold this until the Power Options menu drops down, which should take about 3 seconds. So once you've done so, you still have the option to go into sleep mode, but if you click on Power Options, you now have the option to restart your Nintendo Switch 2, or you have the option to power it off. By powering it off, your Nintendo Switch 2 will not be using any battery, as compared to sleep mode, in which if you use sleep mode, that's still going to make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is ready to turn on at any time, but it does use up battery. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off and restart your Nintendo Switch 2 with Power Options menu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.